Hey everyone! In this super quick video, I'll show you how to add or remove leading zeros in Google Sheets. In this example, I have a range of product identifiers of varying lengths of 2 to 6 digits in length. First, I'll demonstrate how to add leading zeros. And I want to make sure that every number is 6 digits in length so they're consistent. I've actually done work for clients where their inventory systems required the leading zeros. I'll highlight the product identifiers, and then select Format from the top menu. I'll then highlight Number, and a secondary menu appears. At the bottom, I will highlight More Formats, and then click on Custom Number Format. Google Sheets shows us a pop-up window with a number of samples shown. In the first text entry field, I will enter 6 zeros. When I do this, the sample below shows a 6-digit number with 2 leading zeros. I'll click Apply, and now all of our product identifiers are now 6 digits in length with the appropriate number of leading zeros. Now what if you want to remove leading zeros in your data? Once again, I'll highlight the range of product identifiers, and then click Format, then highlight Number, then More Formats, and then click on Custom Number Format. Once again, we see the same pop-up window. This time I will enter 1 zero and click Apply. And now all the leading zeros are gone. As you can see, it's super easy to add or remove leading zeros in Google Sheets. If you found this video informative, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again and have an excellent day.